Hey, it's Dr. White, and I'm back at the Dr. White board to talk about something which is really common, something that we see every day at Sky Vision: dry eye. My patients have asked me all kinds of questions, so I thought we'd do a little series on dry eye, and we have to start with the intro to dry eye, or Dry Eye 101, what are your tears and how do they work? Now, the best way to think about tears is they're an emulsion, kind of like Italian salad dressing. When you've got the bottle of salad dressing in the supermarket or just before you put it on your salad, everything's all separated. You've got the oil on top, you've got the vinegar in the middle, and then you've got all the good stuff on the bottom. That's why Newman's is more expensive, because their good stuff is really good. After you shake it, it all gets mixed together. It's still kind of a gradient. There's more oil on the top, more good stuff in the bottom. And then in the middle, it's mostly vinegar, but it's all mixed up. The same thing occurs with your tears. If this is your cornea, the window to the eye, your tears are a mixed up, messed up emulsion, just like Italian salad dressing. So close to your cornea is the mucin layer. It's more mucin than anything else, but there's still some of the other stuff there too. On the outside of the tears, you have an oil layer, kind of like the olive oil in your salad dressing, but it's a special oil, and we'll talk about that some in the next couple visits that we do here at the Dr. White board. And then in the middle is what we all think of in our tears. It's salt water, but actually it's all kind of messed up and mushed up and shaken up, kind of like Italian salad dressing. A little bit more oil on the outside, less oil as you go toward the cornea, mucin on the inside, less mucin as you go up, and then salt water throughout the whole thing. Now, it used to be really easy to show this with show and tell, because everybody knew what Italian salad dressing was until we started messing with Italian salad dressing. I mean, how can you mess with Italian salad dressing? There's this conspiracy in America to wipe out oil and fat from salad bars across the country. I mean, look at this. That's not Italian salad dressing. There's nothing to shake. And what's up with this light stuff? You know, this is what we're talking about. We have the good stuff down here. We got lots of vinegar, and then there's some oil in there. And if you shake it all up, make sure you keep the top on if you do that. It's all mixed up, and that's like your tears. You've still got a little more oil, a little more good stuff, and in the middle lots of vinegar. But just like with the tears, there's some of everything all the way through. I'll tell you in a little bit why that's important and what happens if you have a problem with any one of those layers and how that gives you a dry eye. So, I'm Dr. White. This is the Dr. White board, and I'm on my way to the salad bar. We'll see you again.